Question 6 says, given f of x as 3x squared plus 2x, determine the first derivative from first principles. So determining the first derivative from first principles requires us to use limits, especially as h tends to 0, of f of x plus h minus f of x all over f of x, or I'm lying, all over h. And we basically need to compute what f of x plus h is. F of x plus h is just f of x, but everywhere you see x, replace it with x plus h. So we can compute it on the side and then substitute it in. So this will be 3, where x is, we put x plus h squared, plus 2, where x is, put x plus h, and then simplify. So this will be 3, and multiplying this out will be x squared. Multiply these two together, x times h multiplied by 2, that will give us plus 2xh, and then multiply the last one, that will be h squared plus 2x plus 2h from that bracket. Then again we can expand out, this will be 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared, and we can say plus 2x plus 2h. We can simplify this a bit if there are any like terms, x squared, xh, h squared, x and h, or no like terms. So we can just go straight over here and substitute that value. So the limit as h tends to 0 of 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 2x plus 2h minus f of x, which is just in brackets 3x squared plus 2x. Then this is all over h. From this we can easily remove the things that can cancel out. So over here we have a 3x squared that's positive. Here we have a minus affecting this 3x squared, which is positive but becomes negative, and they cancel out. Then we have this 2x over here, and then we have this minus 2x over here, and these will basically cancel out and give us we are going to have a remainder of, so the limit as h tends to 0 of 6xh plus 3h squared plus 2h all over h. And we can basically cancel the h's, so take h out of, factor out h from the numerator, and we'll have h 6h plus 3h, or 6x plus 3h plus 2. Then we can divide this by h, that h cancels h, and we're still taking the limit as h tends to 0, and then in this one we have 6x plus 3h plus 2. If we take h turning to 0, now we're gonna have just 6x plus 2, and that is the correct answer, because if you take the first derivative using the shortcuts, you're gonna get 6x plus 2, and that is correct.